At Sebeka, I'm the ag teacher, but it really encompasses natural resources, agriculture, and then GIS, GPS, and drones are now in there.
GIS in a nutshell is mapping, but in the last 5-10 years, it's really changed to web mapping. The overall goal of the GIS team here at CNS is to assist companies in getting that fiber deployed and built for cheaper, faster, and more efficiently. So for Jake to be able to come here and learn from a bunch of GIS professionals and then be able to implement that in this class is going to be great.
So the first 2 days we spent in the office kind of job shadowing. Today and tomorrow we'll be out in the field, just seeing how the field workers are collecting GPS and GIS information and putting it into maps. Even if your career isn't sitting and mapping, you're going to be using GPS systems that are uploading information into GIS maps.
The economy as it is, it's been a struggle to find more employees. Seems to be a shortage of workers, but at the same time, part of that's just that nobody else knows that we're even around. And so getting more word into the schools and with students would be great.
It's invaluable to see what the industry is doing. In every class, someone's going to be asking, why do I need to know this? So if you have an answer, a good answer for that, that's going to help a lot. And then once they have a reason to learn, things get a lot easier.